have said a few things that my spirit is pushing me to say. But I strongly feel it will be proper for me to set some record straight. There is no problem. Even a husband and wife in the same house, they do have problems. But it is a bad thing when the problem that ought not to be anything becomes something, and in fact gets out of the bedroom to the sitting room and into the compound. That is the case of Rivers State. I'm also happy that you even mentioned issues of, even in the state of having all the powers, you show restraint. And I believe that everyone is alive and has been following the activities of our dear state knows that I've acted as a big brother in the course of this crisis. I have not acted like a young man that should want the house to be destroyed, but I've behaved like a matured young man that I am, because I know that no meaningful can be achieved in an atmosphere of crisis. And because our intention for Rivers State is to build on the foundation that are being laid by our past leaders, it would be wrong for me to take the path of crisis. And that is why we're still seeing, recording the development that you're hearing around the River State. There is nothing wrong in one helping anyone, but nobody takes the place of God in any situation. And so long as I'm concerned, God is God. God can even bring your enemy to open a door for you. God can do anything he wants to do when he wants to do it. It is only for us to realize that God will not come down from heaven, but will pass through man or woman to achieve his purpose. So for that reason, when we act as human vessels that gods have used, and not seeing yourself as God. I want to say this clearly, that we do appreciate the role our leaders, more especially the middle past governor played, but that is not enough for me to worship a human being. I can't do that. If that is my sin, yeah, let me answer it in the last day in heaven, not on earth. Because I'm not answerable to anybody on earth. On earth is in heaven. But I know that I've always taken the path of peace. I've shown respect. I've subjected myself to every meeting of reconciliation for peace. And what happens? It is each time we come out from one meeting, we have faced